Hello, my name is Jennifer Strout, and I'm the CEO and founder of MotivateU. From over a decade of work experience as a counselor in the mental health field to hands-on experience as a fitness instructor, I understand the human condition and how both mental health and physical health are inextricably intertwined. After the birth of my second son, despite my best efforts, I was unable to find a local gym that suited the needs of both myself and my children. While I liked the convenience and flexibility of at-home solutions, they lacked either the human connection, the data, or both. I wondered, why should I have to choose between partial solutions? Therefore, I'm both the consumer and the end user of the first use case of our patent-pending solution. With 9 out of 10 Americans planning to continue to work out from home, traditional fitness is getting left behind with paper and pencil or low-tech band-aids, while AI fitness is removing the human element altogether. But humans crave social connections with other humans. In fact, it's the greatest predictor of longevity. Our user interviews confirm the importance of community, with 91% of trainers and fitness instructors reporting that they enjoy the aspect of community and interaction with others. MotivateU's patent-pending solution is first targeted at the fitness market and fills the gap between the human-driven traditional gyms and the data-driven AI fitness, allowing gym owners, fitness instructors, and members to enjoy the benefit of both worlds. We use AI to enhance humans, not to replace them, because we believe it's time to put community back into community-based fitness. Our easily accessible mobile solutions do not require any additional hardware and allow fitness instructors to provide real-time, motivating feedback during remote or hybrid interactive classes without having to stop demonstrating proper form and technique, while saving countless hours on data analysis through AI-generated insights and customized, actionable wellness plans. For fitness users, instead of working out in front of a mirror, you can just work out in front of a live fitness instructor, the same instructor you have at your local gym, while still receiving the data-driven metrics that you expect from AI fitness. We are excited to have you on board, and we can't wait to motivate you.
As a result of the COVID-19 pandemic, traditional fitness is getting left behind.
People really need to be connecting to other people as opposed to machines. MotivateU solutions are actually allowing people to connect to their trainer. As opposed to just straight video conferencing, we actually have a synchronization software. So that allows the trainer to know whether or not the trainee is doing the correct movements in real time, and then they can just focus on that individual.
The technology continues to reshape the industry, our bodies, and the way we think about fitness.
Hi, I'm Andrea Bryce, and I'm a user of MotivateU. I love this product because it allows me to have real-time interaction with my trainer. I've bought programs and classes for stretching and for people who have arthritis and who are not limber and who are aging. But I found that I actually don't follow through with using those classes, and I often run into the problem with having a problem with some of the exercises, and I can't give any feedback. So I stop. With MotivateU, I'm in person virtually with my trainer. So I can talk to them about the problems I'm experiencing as I go through the exercise itself. I get real-time modifications, and I get a chance to talk to somebody who can talk me through the mechanics of what's happening with my body as we move. So yeah, MotivateU is a trainer without having to go to the gym, which I love. Thank you. Bye.